Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Your Chromecast and your phone must be on the same Wi-Fi network and the TV set to the Chromecast input. Open the app you want to cast from, then locate the cast icon. It often sits in the top right. Once you see it, tap to begin discovery. The app signals to the Chromecast. Make sure the network is stable, because the device negotiation and initial handshake rely on steady connectivity. After discovery, you tap Cast and select the Chromecast device name that appears. Now choose what to send: a video stream inside the app, a browser tab, or your full phone screen. Each option uses slightly different encoding and latency. Once casting, keep using the app to control playback, pause, seek, or change quality, and adjust volume either on the phone or the TV remote. If you want higher quality, choose the app's highest stream setting. But be aware, to finish, stop casting from the app or tap Disconnect on the cast card. That cleanly releases the Chromecast. If the device doesn't appear, restart the Chromecast and your router. This clears network leases and often resolves discovery issues. Also, make sure the app has local network permissions and try switching Wi-Fi bands, since some routers segregate devices. If you still fail, reboot the phone. Remember, restarting network gear resets many transient problems, so try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.